guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Priya here and I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing my facial routine slash skin treatment, or I would rather say a treat to my skin. Basically I give myself a facial every once in a while, whenever it tends to get dull. So this video is going to be like a full-fledged 10 steps facial routine. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how does that happen, then keep on watching. So the first things first, I need to cleanse my face, and for that I'm using this Cocoa face wash by Mamaearth, which not only will cleanse my face but also awaken my skin, as it has cocoa and coffee in it, which helps in awakening the skin. And then I'm gonna pat dry my face using a soft towel. The next step is scrubbing. Now to get rid of all the dead skin cells and hidden dirt and oil, I am going to use this activated charcoal face scrub by Good Vibes. This scrub will gently exfoliate my skin, reducing all the potentials for clogged pores. And as the consistency of this scrub is a little bit thick, I am going to use a few drops of this Dabur Gulabari rose water and scrub all over my face very gently. And also remember, you don't need to scrub very harsh. Gentle scrubbing is more than enough. And I'm going to scrub for about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm not only scrubbing my face, I'll scrub my neck as well with this. And once I'm done with that, I need to clean my face, and for that I'm using this sponge and normal water and cleaning my face. And after that I'm going to pat dry my face using a clean soft towel. Now for steaming, I have a quick hack for you guys here. I'm gonna take a bowl full of tolerable hot water and soak a towel in it, and then after squeezing the towel I'm going to put it on all over my face so that the steam goes into my skin and makes my clogged pores open. But yeah, always remember to boil the water till the point your skin can bear, because using too hot water can burn your skin cells. Now after vaporizing and making my pores looser and open, I am going to use this charcoal peel off mask by Good Vibes again, and this way it will penetrate deep into my pores and remove all the dead skin cells and any other impurities. So now I'm just going to make a thin layer of this mask using my fingertips, because making a thick layer of it will not show any better results. It will just be the wastage of this product. So after I'm done with applying this mask, I am going to leave it on my face for about almost 15 to 20 minutes. Now once the mask gets dried, I am going to peel it off. Now trust me guys, although this process is a little bit time taking, this is super satisfying. Now you can clearly see the results. My skin feels super soft. Now that I'm done with pulling all the bad things out, I need to feed something good to my skin. And for that, I'm using this Aloe Cucumber Detox Face Pack by Good Vibes. And for that, I'll use this wooden face pack applying brush, and I'm going to apply it on all over my face with the help of it. And this pack is good for detoxifying and as well as hydrating the skin, as it has both aloe vera and cucumber in it. And once I'm done with applying this pack on all over my face, I'm going to let that sit on my face for about 20 minutes. Once I see my pack dries, I'll be washing that off using a sponge and some normal water. And after I'm done with cleaning my face, I will use a clean soft towel and pat dry my face. Now a facial always requires a good massage to relax and exfoliate the skin. And for that I'm using this aloe vera gel by Mamaearth and massage it very well using both my hands for about 5 minutes. And this way it will hydrate and make my skin smoother. A good and gentle massage always provides better blood circulation to the skin, and so that the skin will look more radiant and brighter. So I'll massage it on all over my face and on my neck as well. And after that I need to give some good hydration and nourishment to my skin, and for that I'm using this honey sheet mask by this brand called Mirabelle. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And as it has honey in it, it will not only nourish my skin but also it will give a glowy tone to it. And honey is an amazing natural humectant which works as a gentle exfoliator, soothes the skin and adds brighter tone to the skin. Also, another very amazing thing about honey is that it helps in reducing skin inflammations, and at the same time honey provides huge nourishment to the skin. So I'm going to put this sheet mask on my face and keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And the best way to get best results using a sheet mask is to relax. You can do yoga or meditate and see the result yourself. Relaxing is the best way to get the best results out of using a sheet mask. After 20 minutes are done, I am now gonna remove the mask and massage the remaining liquid a little bit on my face using both my hands, and I am going to massage that very smooth and gently. And guys, you all can clearly see the result. My skin is like glowing and it feels cottony soft. I am loving it. Now, as I have already done quite a lot of things to my skin, I need to tone my face a little bit for the betterment of it, and for that I'm using this rice water toner by Good Vibes, and I'm gonna spray it on all over my face, and I'll just massage it a little bit and then I'll let this air dry. Now, using a toner not only will tone my skin but also it will refreshen my skin from the inside. And after using that, my skin already feels so soft and so fresh. Now, to protect all that hard work and to add some more nourishment to my skin, I'll be using this Rosehip Serum by Good Vibes again. And I know that I used too many Good Vibes product in this video because they are very good. And now I'll take a few drops of it and massage it on all over my face. Rosehip will reduce dullness and leave glowing and vibrant tone to my skin, as it is high in vitamin A and C, which helps in skin cell turnover in a prettier way. And this particular serum has a beautiful fragrance to it, and I'm going to massage it very well on all over my face, and I'm going to massage it on my neck as well to provide better nourishment to my skin. And after that comes the last but certainly not the least thing. I'm going to put on some moisturizer to make sure my skin does not lose any due to this lengthy process. And for that, I'm using my forever favorite Johnson's Baby Milk and Rice Cream, and I'm gonna apply it on all over my face, and then I'm going to massage it nicely to lock the moisture to my skin. Now, as I have done a lot to my face, I am now gonna end this whole process by giving a good moisture to my lips as well. And for that, I'm using this Nivea Care Lip Balm, and with that, this whole facial process ends here. And now you guys can see the after effect of the whole facial, and my skin feels so soft and you can clearly see it's glowing like anything, and it is feeling like cottony soft thing, and it feels like a baby skin literally, and I'm loving it. I'm just giving you guys all a after effect of the whole facial that I just did. You can clearly see the glow and the effect. My skin feels so soft, like a baby skin, and you can obviously see the glow. I mean, this is super amazing. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and share this video with everybody out there, and do comment down below if you have tried this facial or any other kind, like a homemade one or anything of your choice. Do comment down below and let me know as well. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till that time, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.